So here we see someone with very long hair. The stylist cuts that hair right off. And it gets to cutting more, shaping up the hair. And it looks like she gets a cute little Pixie haircut or longer Pixie style. Very cute. Moving into look number 2. If you guys are new around here, my name is Danielle. And today we're going to be taking a look at some cute Pixie haircut ideas. So she is styling this one with a round brush and a blow dryer. Doing a bit of a blowout here. Very cute Pixie style. She's got an undercut going there. And then we move into another longer Pixie transformation. This one has a bit of an asymmetrical shape. I love the color, beautiful dimension. A very cute style. And then we have a nice classic short Pixie. Gorgeous boy cut Pixie style. And then here we have a big chop transformation. So she had this long curly hair. She cut it all off. And now she is platinum with the curls. Very dramatic transformation for that one. And then here we have another Pixie cut. I love the ginger color that she has here. This one also features an asymmetrical shape. Bit of a 90s feel. Here we have a Pixie cut refresh. Stylist shapes up the sides. We get a nice 360 view here. Another beautiful classic Pixie. And then we move into another Pixie. This one does feature some bangs going there in the front. Very nicely frames out her face. She seems so excited about this look. I love it. I love when I see a reaction where the customer, the client is just so happy. So here we have someone with mid-length wavy hair. Oh, hair is placed in a ponytail and cut right off. Handed to her. Ooh, oh, this is such a super cute Pixie. Wow. She looks gorgeous. I love the way that this frames out her face too. Beautiful. Alright, so we have someone with about mid-back length hair. She's got some grays there at the root. Stylist cuts off the ponytail, so she's definitely going super short for this. Oh, so she gets some color. I'm loving the shape so far. It's like an 8. Oh, wow. Well, I was just getting ready to say, it looks like an asymmetrical pixie. Oh, this is beautiful. Gorgeous two-tone color with the blonde and the black. Stunning. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of the pixies that were featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.